So I'd like to give you a warm welcome back to This Guy's Garage. About a month ago I did an unboxing on this distributor and I asked the question, is this a spot where you can save a few bucks when you're budget hot rodding? Find out, coming after this.
This Guy's Garage. Like and subscribe.
Well, I'd like to give you a warm welcome back to This Guy's Garage. About a month ago, I asked the question, is this a spot where you can save a few bucks when you're budget hot rodding? Well, apparently the answer is no. And here's the issue. This Pro Comp distributor, when I placed it inside the engine, it was wobbling around. And I proceeded to take it out and check it. And the collar here is not machined correctly for the intake, which means the shaft can wobble around. If this engine had started, it would have been catastrophic. A 10-cent part could have cost me about 10 grand to get it fixed back up. Another issue, now I'm not saying that's going to happen with every one of these distributors, but this housing is not correct. So whether it's an Oldsmobile housing or whether it's a Buick housing, Cadillac housing, I do not know. But the gear fit, it went down in the hole and the measurements were right, but this housing is wrong, and I'll show you here on the intake in a second. So this is a big block, small block distributor. This is a small block intake, but for these purposes, it'll tell us what's going on here. See that? It's not supposed to be able to do that. And you can see under here how much space there is. So if this engine started with this distributor in it, it would be catastrophic. So I thought that was an important warning to share with everybody out there, because we're all trying to save a buck. Man, this could have been bad. All right, another thing, the screws that came with the cap were a little on the long side and they were touching in here. So check them screws for fitment, because the ones that come with it are too long and they will catch on your vacuum arm. So the screws are a little too long and they were catching on the vacuum arm. So that was one issue. Yep, but the big issue was fitment. So thanks again as always for stopping by This Guy's Garage. Take the time, hit the subscribe button. You can watch another video right here, and you can hit the subscribe button right there. Until next time.
This Guy's Garage. Like and subscribe.